Shiba Inu's supply is at historic lows, and it's absolutely insane. Nearly 33 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have disappeared in the blink of an eye, and it's the whales who are buying it all up. The Shiba Inu team has just dropped some huge bombshells, and the possibility of the 1 cent dream might be closer than we ever expected. So what exactly is going on here, and what am I even talking about? Let me break it down for you. First, let me start with a quick disclaimer. Today is shaping up to be a great day for the Shiba Inu community. After what seemed like a never-ending struggle to push higher, with the price dipping lower almost every day, things are finally turning around. Instead of continuing its usual downward trend, Shiba Inu actually moved up today. It's not a massive jump, but it's a solid gain, one that feels much bigger considering how rough the past days have been. This small shift has already started to change the mood. Investors who were hesitant before are starting to feel more confident now, and the overall sentiment in the community is improving. The crazy volatility that had everyone on edge seems to be calming down, at least for now. When you look at the past week's price action, Shiba Inu is showing signs of stability. It's not bouncing up and down wildly. It's actually holding its ground. For holders, this is a much-needed breather after seeing nothing but losses piling up. Today feels like a win. But here's the crazy part. While other meme coins are slipping, Shiba Inu is standing strong, refusing to follow the crowd. And here's the real twist. According to one crypto analyst, Shiba Inu could skyrocket by a jaw-dropping 500% soon. There are huge signals with the current Shiba Inu supply on exchanges to back this up. But I'll get into that later. After smashing through a key resistance level, Shiba Inu is holding steady, which is fueling a wave of bullish energy. More people are jumping in, trading volume is climbing, and the excitement is building. The analyst making this bold prediction is Javen Mars, a well-known figure in the crypto space. He's not backing down on his call and still believes Shiba Inu has a massive breakout ahead. In a recent post, Mars doubled down on his prediction, pointing out that Shiba Inu's price has been showing strong signs ever since it broke past that resistance. He shared a price chart highlighting a key moment where the token broke free from a long period of consolidation. Now, instead of dropping back down, it's holding its ground, which could mean an even bigger move is on the horizon. Of course, the crypto market is as unpredictable as ever, and meme coins are known for their wild swings. No one can say for sure what will happen next, but right now, the signs are looking good for Shiba Inu. If this prediction holds up, things could get very interesting in the near future. But wait, yeah, I know the 500% prediction sounds crazy, but let me tell you something even crazier. There's a new report today about Shiba Inu's supply, and trust me, the numbers are shocking. We're talking about really big numbers, the kind that no one saw coming. I'll break down all the details later, so stick around until the end because you don't want to miss this. First though, let's talk about this massive jump that's been happening lately. According to analysts, something huge just happened with Shiba Inu's supply, and it's honestly insane. A key metric just skyrocketed by nearly 50,000%, as over 13 million Shiba Inu were suddenly gone forever. This isn't just some random spike. It's a massive surge that caught everyone off guard. In just the past day, the burn rate exploded to an unbelievable level, with the biggest transaction alone wiping out more than 12 million tokens in one go. At the same time, Shiba Inu's price jumped almost 10% before pulling back a little. But the fact that it even hit that high, combined with this crazy burn activity, is enough to get the whole community talking. With supply shrinking this fast, things could get really interesting from here. But here's the thing, not only are burns going crazy right now, but something even bigger is happening. You might not believe this, but Shiba Inu's supply on exchanges is absolutely vanishing, and that's insanely bullish. Shiba Inu's exchange reserves just hit a new all-time low, dropping to 93 trillion tokens. That means fewer tokens are available for buying and selling than ever before. Even after months of price struggles, holders aren't giving up. Instead of panic selling, they're pulling their tokens off exchanges and holding tight, like they know something massive is coming. And this isn't just a small dip. This is a dramatic drop in supply. Right now, only about 16% of the entire Shiba Inu supply is sitting on major platforms like Binance, Robinhood, and Coinbase. That number keeps shrinking. When supply gets this tight, it usually leads to one thing: a price surge. This is huge, way bigger than most people realize. When the supply of a crypto asset on exchanges keeps shrinking like this, history has shown that big price moves can follow. And we're not just talking about small gains. We're talking about the kind of moves that can turn regular investors into millionaires and completely change lives. Think about it. With only 93 trillion Shiba Inu left on exchanges, the available supply is getting tighter and tighter. If demand kicks in, whether from retail investors, whales, or even institutions, there just won't be enough tokens to go around. And when that happens, prices could skyrocket. For investors who've been holding through the tough times, this could be their shot at making back their losses, and then some. We've already seen Shiba Inu explode in the past, creating overnight millionaires. If history repeats itself, the next rally could be even bigger, especially with these supply numbers dropping. It means Shiba Inu could be gearing up for a massive supply squeeze. It means those who got in early and held strong could be sitting on life-changing gains in the near future. And it means that while some people are sleeping on this opportunity, others are quietly stacking their tokens, preparing for what could be the next big breakout. If Shiba Inu catches fire again, with this kind of low exchange supply, the price action could be absolutely explosive. But here's what's crazy. The Shiba Inu team just revealed that Shiba Inu can actually reach 1 cent. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just some wild speculation from random traders. This is coming straight from the team itself. Lucy, the marketing lead for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, just made it clear that she believes hitting 1 cent is possible in Shiba Inu's lifetime. And this isn't just wishful thinking. Lucy has been part of the Shiba Inu journey since 2021, and she's still holding strong. She's confident in the token's long-term potential and believes it's not a matter of if, but when. Of course, she also made it clear that it won't happen overnight. But the fact that someone from the inside is openly talking about this means they see something big coming. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Just as this bombshell prediction drops, we also see Shiba Inu's exchange supply shrinking to record lows. Is this a coincidence? Or do they know something that the rest of us don't? Because when supply is drying up this fast and the team is hinting at a massive price target, it's hard to ignore the bigger picture. We've seen it before. When demand surges and there aren't enough tokens left on exchanges, the price can absolutely explode. And if Shiba Inu even gets anywhere close to 1 cent, early holders and patient investors could be looking at life-changing gains. This might be very bullish. The exchange reserves are at an all-time low, the team is speaking with confidence, and long-term holders aren't budging. If this really is the early setup for something huge, then the next big Shiba Inu rally might just shock the world. And here's another crazy one. One analyst just shared something that's making waves. He took a deep dive into the altcoin chart, and what he found is insane. According to him, altcoins just made a bullish cross. That's right, he's calling it. Altcoin season is coming. And if you've been in crypto long enough, you know what that means. When altcoins start breaking out together, the market goes wild. We've seen some of the biggest price surges in history during these phases. Now, here's where things get really interesting. We've got altcoin season brewing, Shiba Inu's exchange supply running out, and the team openly talking about hitting 1 cent. Could all of this be connected? Are we finally heading toward a new all-time high? Because if everything lines up just right, this could be the moment Shiba Inu holders have been waiting for. And here's the real kicker. While most altcoins are still struggling, Shiba Inu is the only one in the green. While others are dipping, Shiba Inu is defying the odds, pushing higher and showing incredible strength. This isn't just a random price move. Something big is happening behind the scenes. If altcoin season is really about to take off and Shiba Inu is already leading the charge while others lag behind, then what happens when the market flips full bullish? With exchange reserves drying up, the supply crunch getting worse, and momentum building, we could be standing at the edge of something massive. The question is, are you ready for what's coming? But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. And if you're curious to find more, make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might cost you, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.